Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Qualcomm Pulse. Today we're talking about a potential acquisition that could make some waves in the tech industry. Qualcomm, a leading chip maker, is reportedly eyeing Alphawave, a company that specializes in designing and manufacturing data center connectivity IP. This deal would not only be strategic for Qualcomm, but also aligns with the company's growing focus on the data center market. As we all know, data centers are becoming increasingly important for businesses looking to store and process vast amounts of data. And with AI technology on the rise, companies like Alphawave are stepping up to meet the demand. Now, let's dive deeper into the details. According to a J.P. Morgan analyst, Samik Chatterjee, this acquisition would be modestly accretive even when assuming a significant premium to Alphawave's valuation in the public markets before Qualcomm disclosed interest. That means that despite its relatively small size compared to Qualcomm, Alphawave's capabilities and growth prospects make it an attractive addition to Qualcomm's portfolio. Chatterjee also highlights the potential synergies between these two companies. By acquiring Alphawave, Qualcomm can leverage a similar playbook that's worked so well in other markets like autos and IoT. This means that Qualcomm can gain share in the data center market despite being a relatively new entrant. But what does this mean for Qualcomm's financial performance? Well, the analyst notes that the acquisition will have a negligible impact on financials, but the company expects synergies from its entry into the broader data center TAM. And with Alphawave's capabilities and growth prospects in mind, it's clear that this deal has significant potential. In fact, according to industry reports, the data center CPU TAM is expected to expand at a 10% CAGR, while the AI inference market is projected to grow more than 20%. That's a lot of growth potential. And with Alphawave on board, Qualcomm is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. Now, let's take a look at some numbers. The analyst mentions that Alphawave's high-performance IP TAM is expected to expand at a 21% CAGR from 2024 through 2027. That's a significant growth driver right there. And with custom silicon and ASIC adoption in AI infrastructure on the rise, companies like Alphawave are poised for big gains. In conclusion, this potential acquisition of Alphawave by Qualcomm is a move that could make some waves in the tech industry. With its strong balance sheet and strategic focus on the data center market, Qualcomm is well positioned to capitalize on the growth opportunities presented by Alphawave's capabilities and technology.